You greet me like the morning sun, no questions, no disguise. Tail wagging like you knew me long before I was alive. When the world gets loud and heavy and I'm bent from what I've done, you stay right here beside me like I'm still your number one. Dog is God spelled backwards, and I swear that it feels true. You love me at my worst times like there's nothing I can lose. Through the nights and through the distance, through the mess I'm going through, you're the only kind of faithful that never asks me to prove. You don't care if I'm broken, tired, stubborn, or rough around. You just lean your head up on me and you settle me back down. If I've been gone for minutes, you act like I've been away for years. Then you rush me with your whole heart and you wash away my fears. Dog is God spelled backwards, and I swear that it feels true. You love me at my worst times like there's nothing I can lose. Through the nights and through the distance, through the mess I'm going through, you're the only kind of faithful that never asks me to prove. Like that is rare, it's pure, it never keeps score. A bond that never fades when I walk out that door. No games, no lies, no turning cold, no reason to pretend. Just a heart that runs to meet me every single time I bend. Dog is God spelled backwards, and you show me